Okie dokie, so as always, we are going to get into our nice belly dance posture. So that means we're going to bend our knees, tuck the pelvis underneath, and lengthen through the spine. Shoulders relaxed and down. We're gonna start with a clockwise umi. So that means I'm gonna initiate this on my left hip. So I'm gonna squeeze my left glute to make my left hip come up, engage my lower abdominals to have my pelvis tilt underneath, and then squeeze my right glute to make my hip come up. And then we're gonna try to come all the way across without pushing out into our lower back and starting that all over again. So the points of this are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is broken down into a box. Once we smooth this out, it will become a circle. Again, this is called an umi or an interior hip circle in belly dance. And we're breaking down each side accordingly. Last time, broken down, tuck, back. So we're gonna smooth this out. And this is clockwise because our hips are traveling in a clockwise direction. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, once we smooth this guy out. Hands can be wherever you want. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and clockwise. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra would be to layer our arms. So go ahead and we're gonna come back to the 1 on 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. One more. Up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 6, 7, 8. Keep it going a couple more. And 5, 6. We're gonna double time that. So we're gonna go 1, and 1, and 1. Or you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or simply 1. Bam. It totally depends how you're trying to choreograph something or feel the music. Other side, so we have right, tuck, left, release back, right, tuck, left, release back. 1, 2, 3, 4, soft shoulders, 6, 7, 8. It's a daily reminder to relax the upper body, especially when we're engaging and doing a lot with our lower body. Again, this is counterclockwise here because we're going counterclockwise with our hips. And once we smooth it out, right now we're gonna make that little circle with 1, 2, 3, in your hip circle. It's an interior hip circle because you are staying on the interior of your body. You're basically working around your spine. This should feel pretty good on your lower back if you're contracting in the front appropriately. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and shake that out while the song switches. Pardon my leaking studio. It has been a little bit of a wreck recently during COVID, so we're just hanging in there like everybody else. All right, roll your shoulders back, bend your knees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start alternating directions. Starting clockwise, because that is the way that we started first. You're gonna go up, tuck, right, around, 2, 2, 3, around, 3, 3, and you guessed it, 4. And then switch, counter, 2. And 3, and we're getting our tempo on, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and steer it up clockwise, and 3, and 4, and switch, and counter, 2, 3, 4, and counter, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, and 4. So we're gonna kickstand, step out. Kickstand would be right, soft knee, left. Soft knee, right, and left. With those umis, clockwise, starting on the left, moving to the right because that makes most sense right now, intuitively. So you're gonna engage Reach the left hip up and around. 2 and around. 3 and around. 4 and around. That means we start right, tuck, under, back, counterclockwise to the left side, right to left, and 4, 3. Hands can be anywhere you want. 1, 2, 2 umis. So you're trying to slide across the center, and right. Take it left, counterclockwise, starting with the right hip though. So many sides and things. And 4, we're gonna speed this up. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting 1, 2. Switch sides. Switch sides. Other way, left, counterclockwise, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, and arms if you'd like a little extra. 3, 4, and down. Take it up. Take it down. 2, 3, 1 more, and left. 2, 3, add a nice level change. Up, down, and up. 2, 3, 1 more, and around. 2, 3, 4, and back to center. Let's, for fun, go out with a bang and go 1, 1. Clockwise first, up on the left hip. 1, 1. Clockwise, counterclockwise. And clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shake it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever want private lessons, you can always message me or visit symmetryed.com. Thanks so much.